Hi people, I'm back again with another BoxyCharm box. Woo, woo, woo. This one is for October 2019 and I'm really excited to look inside and see what we got. Should we look? Oh, what's this? Let's see. Introducing the bigger BoxyCharm. That's exciting. Beauty box worth over $175 value for only $35. Limited quantities starting in November. Sign me up. Alright, let's see what the theme of this box is. After dark. Alright. This should be fun. Ooh, what's this? This is fun. Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. This sounds right up my fucking alley. Let's see. Avocado and broccoli. Huh, sounds healthy. I bet it'll go good on my skin. Probably. Avocados and broccoli? What's wrong with those? Nothing. Alright, what's next? This is, oh, and this was, let's see, this is a $35 value. So already over the price of the box, which is $21, I think. What is this? Luna by Luna eyeliner. It looks like it's a blue eyeliner. What? Our eyes gonna be crippin'. So, alright, we'll take that. We like that. We like fun colors. This looks kind of boring, but might be up some people's alleys. This is the iconic London lip plumping gloss. This is worth $26. Oh, and the eyeliner, $16. So, but this is, I guess, supposed to plump your lips. I don't like the color, it's kind of boring, and I have like, this is kind of like the one that I just got in my last box. So, a little disappointed, BoxyCharm. Oh, it's alright. I got a healthy mask. What is this? This is a palette. Dose of Colors. Which is really ironic, considering I got baked browns. Huh. Alright, let's see what's in here. See what they look like. I'm not a big fan of brown color fucking eyeshadows. They're kind of boring. Yeah. Looks pretty boring to me. Nah, not even like a hint of shimmer. Not a hint of shine. Just plain and boring, which is kind of really disappointing for it being October. You kind of expect some fun and spooky things. This might be spooky, because I don't like it. But it's definitely not fun. I think my mom will like it, though. She likes all the boring colors. I like all the fun and, like this. Like, it's still pink. It's still got some little shimmers to it. I like it. My face is all sweaty. Oh, well. Alright. What is this shit? Alright. Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. An ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensually smooth texture. Ooh. That sounds so dirty. Okay, so where's the ingredient list? Okay. Let's see if I can use it, because if I can't, then another one goes to my mommy. Looks like there's dimethicone in there. Can't use this shit. So, out of the 5 full-size items that I got this month, I'll be using 2 of them. The other 3, these ones are going to my mommy. The Crippin' eyeliner and the fucking Vital Veggie Mask. These are going to me. I would probably, I give this, like, out of 5 hearts on the site, I'm gonna give this a 1 heart, because it was kind of boring. Like, I would expect more fun and glamour, especially because they make you take a quiz. When you sign up, they're like, oh, do you like these colors? Do you like these colors? And I specifically was like, no, I like all the bright colors, all the shimmers, all that. So, we'll try again next month, BoxyCharm. Bye, people.